He can't get out of bed. He don't know where she is. He wants to in his chest. Where has she been? He don't know where she's gone. If I just stays alone, he doesn't want to miss a single kiss. He should have never let her, so lost in her thoughts. He should have never let her. But then he thinks she's crazy for getting lost and move outside of his world. And now he is at his worst. He wants to hate, wants to love, wants to get